Welcome back to the channel. Today we're walking through the simple steps to change your username on Discord using the PC app, especially with the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen ready to connect with friends and communities. Next, look to the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your current username displayed alongside your profile picture. To proceed, click on the small gear icon located next to your name. This will take you into the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, make sure you're on the left side where it shows User Settings. If My Account isn't already selected, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the main account settings where you can manage your profile. Now, in the middle of the My Account screen, you'll spot an Edit button located to the right of your current username. Click that button to start changing your username. Here comes the fun part. Go ahead and type in your desired new username. Make sure it's something that truly represents you, as it will be your identity on Discord. Once you've made your changes, Discord will ask you to enter your password to confirm the update. Type in your password, and then click the Done button. And just like that, your username is updated. That's it. You're all set with your brand new username on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy chatting.